Okay, Chris. Well, we are out of the case. This is where we're going to start. I went ahead and took your movement out just to have a closer inspection of your case, so I was sure where we were starting from there. But we're going to go ahead and get your dial and hands removed and start our process of disassembly here. Okay, so the back of your dial is unmarked, which is fine. It's a very original looking dial. It has a couple scribe marks on it, but I'm not sure what those mean or where they're from. We're back. Okay, Chris, we are ready to start reassembly. Okay. Okay, time to check, see how our process went here. All right, we're running. It's always good. Okay, looks good. Okay, let's go ahead and put it on the time grapher and see how we're doing. Okay, well, this looks pretty good. I think we're on our way to a excellent result. So let's see if we can check your beat error here. Get that taken care of. Sorry, I'm going to move things around a little bit. Okay. How's that? Better? Worse? Nope, worse. Okay. Oops. I'm pretty happy with that. All right. Well, yeah, 300 degrees and flat as a pancake. I'm going to let this continue to break in for a little bit, and then we're going to move on to the keyless works, another side. Yeah, that's pretty good. Yeah, that's the way these should run. All right, fantastic. I'll be back. Okay, we're back over on the calendar side. We're gonna continue to assemble things. I've got your keyless works here together. This is a kind of a fiddly job on these, mostly because of this large shepherd spring here. So I went ahead and did that. You've got a new gasket in your crown, and your crown and stem assembly has been rebuilt, so that's ready to go. So we're just going to finish up with the last few pieces here, make sure that everything is lubricated and ready to go back together. Alright, that should be it. Perfect. Okay, time for dial and hands, and then we'll be back in the case. We'll be back. Okay, it's time for the last remaining components. Are your winding bridge. And the last part. Very good. Get your case back seal. All right, I'm going to put this on the machine to close it up. But okay, Chris, well, here we are. This is it. I just think this watch came out so nice. So the service is complete. Everything's back the way it should be. Back in place. Everything came out just spectacular. Really nice watch. It's you know, it never saw any moisture. It was really well cared for. We've gone ahead and done the full service, so let's just kind of review what we've done. You've got a rebuilt crown, you've got a new case back seal, you've got a new crystal, full service on the movement. Went ahead and just give you a look here of your hand alignment. Everything is just exactly as it should be. Coming up on midnight. There's your click over. Really a very special watch. These early World Times with the 6217 movement are just some of my favorites amongst the World Time group. Quick date works exactly as it should. And that is that. Here are the things that I was mentioning replacing. So there's your crown seal, case back seal, and your crystal. Those will come back to you, and you can have a look at those. I have your band here. I'll put that on before it returns back home, so you can wear it when you get it. But yeah, just a beautiful one. Beautiful World Time. Really nice watch. Well, thank you very much, Chris, for trusting me with it, and I hope you enjoy it. And thanks for watching. All right, take care.